guys, I'm just jumping on to show you another yarn haul that I have. I am actually collaborating this year for Christmas with the amazing Hobby Yarns. They have gifted me some spectacular weight one, so 4-ply, gorgeous Christmas colours that I have chosen. So we've got like a Christmas green, like frosty, blue, icy, frozen vibes, some snow, some white, some wine, because we're all gonna have a couple of glasses over Christmas, and some red. Yes, so I'm going to be taking part in a challenge which is called the Have Yourself a Merry Little DIY Challenge. So it's a challenge where you guys can get involved too. So myself and all the other artists that are taking part are going to be uploading some tutorials on our Instagram and maybe our YouTube. I think I'm going to upload mine on my YouTube too, of some Christmassy themed designs. For you to take part, you can obviously follow along and crochet with us or knit with the other artists and so forth. But there is actually going to be a big giveaway of 20 skeins of yarn on the 19th of December. Now, if you want to take part in that, you just have to follow along with any of the tutorials from any of the artists, including myself, and make sure that you post on your Instagram a story, mainly reels and posts, like pictures, and make sure you tag whoever the artist is that you got the tutorial from, so whether it be myself or others, and tag hobby, and I'll include the hashtags below in which you have to share in order to be in the chance of winning. Now you have to submit all of this by the 18th of December, and that's at like 1 minute to midnight, so 23:59 to be all in a chance of winning. And the yarn is so good. Like, I kind of wish that I wasn't taking part in doing the tutorials, because I wish that I could go along and actually win the yarn, but you know, here we are. So yes, I got gifted these yarns. I got 2 lots of them, so like a pack of 10 of 2 of every colour. They are cotton, and I think 5% polyester. Yep, just confirmed. So I'm going to be making some cool earrings, which can also be used for putting on your gift wrapping, or you can hang them from your Christmas trees, or you can stick a bobby pin in there and stick them in your hair as well. So if you want to take part and follow me along, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, because I will be uploading on here too, or follow me on Instagram. My links are below. And yeah, I'm going to be using these yarns. I'm going to comment a link below where you can purchase these yarns. If you do want to take part in my particular challenge, you will need these. And I want to show you the stitch markers that also came in the package. They are so cute. Like, that was like so dramatic, because they are so cute. I've actually put them on one of my knitting needles. Actually, I don't even think this is my knitting needle, but and I'm just trying to spread them out so that you can see. Ooh. Turn them around. So we've got a Christmas tree, a candy cane, a glove, and a moon with a Santa's hat on. Can you see them? Oh, over here. They're so adorable. And I've been using them obviously whilst I make my designs too. If you've never ordered from Hobby Yarns before, I think they're the main company that I actually buy for. I have, however, recently started buying hand-dyed skeins, which I'm obsessed with, and I've got myself a new umbrella and winder, which I'm a bit addicted to. However, it did break. When I say break, it came off the, they're on like, I can't remember what they're called, but they're on like these little turning gear type things, and it came off the gear, let's just say. And I had to get my partner to fix it, because all these balls that I've wound up are now big piles of yarn sick, because they're so tangled, and I have to find the time to rewind them, and I just haven't got around to it yet. But now it's working, and now it's all good. So I did spend like 3 hours unknotting a yarn that I bought from a small business, and they were like, it wasn't like a cheap yarn, it was a fairly priced yarn, so I didn't want to like dump that and wait for it. I needed to get it done there and then, otherwise my heart would have hurt. Yeah, I just came on to tell you about hobby, and here I am like talking about everything else, but so yeah, I've just posted on my Instagram today the terms and conditions for the giveaway, which I told you. As I said, I'll post the links below. I also want to know what you want from me in the new year, so I'm trying to plan ahead for my YouTube channel, which I'm hoping is going to take off, and I'm hoping I'm going to be able to post a video every day. I don't know why I said every day, not every day, every week. But last couple of days I have been posting every day because I had a load of bulk editing I had to do. Yeah, so I want to know what you want to see, whether or not you've seen my designs, or whether or not you're new to crocheting and you want something that needs to be like explained differently, or if there's an outfit of mine that you're obsessed with and you want to follow along to a pattern. I could do like a crochet along. Yeah, so yeah, post your ideas below for me, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you. Bye.